Oh. Hey guys. What's up? What is crack-a-lackin'? Let me tell you. Hang on. I gotta put y'all in my tripod here. We're gonna try to do too hot to be attempting this outside today. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Hey guys. Been scrubbing my floors. You can see I got some of it done. Ooh, yeah. Oh, I love this. Oh, look, I can see you guys. I look skinny from here. Yeah. Let's talk about this plate. Okay, first of all, loaded tea. Wait a minute, let me look at something real quick. To make sure I grabbed a caffeine-free one. I do not need to be over here jumping around like a wild heathen. Yes, this is fruit roll-up. Caffeine-free. Let's see what it tastes like. I ain't been let down once time yet. Not once. Get away. Okay. Look at this lunch. We've got our bean salad. We have a stuffed tomato vibe, okay? So I got a big garden tomato right here. I made me a canned chicken salad right here. Oh my gosh. Pickle. This bean salad is getting better every day. Listen, I need you guys to do me a favor. Okay. Hang on. I'm gonna wait for some more people. This is so good. Ready? Okay. Let me talk to y'all. Okay. Listen. Yeah, the bean salad is fire. It needed some extra stuff. Like some fresh herbs. But you know what? It's delicious. Lord, that big chunk of tomato, I can eat all that anyway. Okay, now this is the biggest meal I have during the day. This is it. Look at that tomato. You know what I've been craving? A tomato cracker salad. If you've never had that, and I don't need crackers, but I'm gonna go off. Okay. Had the weigh in this morning. That was a sobering event. You know what? No, not bad. Where's spot on that tomato? I wasn't sure about. I still lost weight. It was not a big number. If you're new here, we do weigh in every Friday morning on the subscriber page. And let's see what time it is. Okay, just 1:25. Trying to decide if I want to go get Baden from school or if I want to let him ride the bus. I think I'm just going to let him ride the bus. No. This is so good. Simple. And delicious. I made my little chicken salad with canned chicken. It's too hot for anything else. Man, that's good. Fruit roll up. Yum. There's loaded cheese. This is not sponsored at all. But hey, loaded tea. Holler at me. I'll do it. 0 sugar, 0 calorie, 0 carb. They do them in caffeine free now. Vitamins B3, B5, B6, B9, B12, D3, K2, and aloe. And they just released a flavor with protein and collagen. I need it in my life. I'm hoping that Walmart or one of the retailers starts picking these loaded teas up so we can buy them in store, because ordering them is going to be a problem, because I have to wait for them to get here. And I'm already running low. I've been trying to ration them out, because they're not really cheap, okay? They're not cheap. Goodness. This is delicious. I got my spinach and arugula. A little green. I don't know, like, whoops, get Lucy. I was so hungry. Okay. All right. All right. Well, there's that. Lunch. Delicious. Now, it's time to get back to work. I'll see y'all soon. It's delicious. Fruit roll up. Definitely going on my rebuy list. Alright guys. I'll see y'all later. Bye.